Good morning, guys. It is Kalila, or Callie, and welcome to day 11 and potentially the last day of me knitting on this sweater, the halibut sweater by Caitlin Hunter. Okay, last night, or yesterday, and last night, whatever, last night is yesterday, whatever, aka me, finished the body, bound off, started and finished an entire sleeve. Okay, so now today I want to finish the entire second sleeve, which is totally doable because that's the only thing I have to knit today. Okay, that's the only thing I have to knit today. It is currently 10 a.m. 10, 12, 10, whatever, it'll be different on there, but it is 10 a.m. and it's just a cozy day. I didn't put on earrings, I didn't put on a necklace, I just put on an oversized sweatshirt. Courage J Day, and I'm just gonna knit. I'm gonna eat breakfast first, okay? I just rolled out of bed. I was editing TikToks and stuff. I am also going to be editing YouTube videos today and scheduling those so that I can schedule videos up until, let's see, I have video scheduled until the 18th. So if I edit 4 videos, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, up until the 22nd. So that will be awesome. And basically, I'll have videos prepared for almost the rest of the month because I will take a break between posting every single day after every project because I will want to film another week's worth of my new project. Also take like 2 days break from knitting and then before I hop into another project. So anyway, let's get into it. Guys, yes, different scenery, okay? I was falling asleep knitting. No, I wasn't falling asleep knitting. I was very tired knitting and watching a show that I felt like I was gonna fall asleep because I went to bed at like 1 a.m. and so I was still very tired. I still feel lethargic, but I'm halfway through the decreases. I told my TikTok, I was like, I just want to be done before midnight, so I'm going to hyper focus on this. I just finished eating and doing everything that I needed, so now I can just purely knit. I'm gonna watch some Criminal Minds. I was watching some knitting podcasts, so now switching back to Criminal Minds for the rest of the night so that I can really get my zoom in. Hey guys, I'm with Kahila Knitting.
Hello.
And I finished all of the decreases and I finished the sleeve before the ribbing, okay? So here it is. And now I'm going to switch out my needles and work on the ribbing. I'm almost done with season 2 of Criminal Minds. This sweater took me through 2 seasons of Criminal Minds and I'm like, this is great. I'm loving it. So I'm going to continue watching Criminal Minds. I'm probably going to take a break and eat sometime during this, but I'll come back and talk to you guys once I'm done. My goal is to finish this before midnight. It's currently 8 p.m. So we have, what, 4 hours before my self-imposed deadline, which is awesome. It's not really a deadline. I just don't want to stay up late and knitting, so this is gonna motivate me to Are these 3.5s? Let me make sure. 3.5. 3.5. Okay. Yeah, this is just going to motivate me to not take weird breaks because I procrastinate a lot. And I know the difference between my procrastination and me just taking a break, okay? I need to limit the procrastination sessions that can erupt, okay, during this time. So I'm going to just knit until it's time for me to eat. And then after I eat, I'm going straight back into knitting until I finish. Okay, I just have 20 rounds left. Not a lot at all. Yesterday, I zoomed through. I think I got through the ribbing in like 40 minutes when I started it. So I'd say since it's like almost 8:15, yeah, I could finish this before 9 if I don't get interrupted. So let's get it. Guys, guess what? We have a finished sweater. Ooh! Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let me put it on right quick so you can see how it is. Okay, guys, here it is. Here it is. No restriction to my movement. The yoke is very low, but that's with everything that I typically knit because I always knit things that are very oversized. So once it blocks out and there's more room under here, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is crazy, bro. This is only going to get bigger and it's already big. It's hot though. Oh gosh. Oh, this is so hot. People said that this yarn was itchy, but it barely feels prickly on my skin. So, I mean, I wore Icelandic wool on my skin and it felt fine. So I guess this wouldn't really feel like much. Anyway, here it is. I'm going to block it and I'm going to create a time-lapse kind of video basically showing the entire process of this, taking clips from what I've already posted so I can have one full video and then you'll probably see this blocked out fully. So that's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for coming on this journey with me every single day with me knitting this sweater. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, time to block tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Kahila finished today as well. So I'm gonna block the day after her. Anyway, that's it. Remember to like and share and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.